Cutting tools are evolving every day, and using the latest technologies not only saves you valuable machining time, but can save you in your tooling costs as well. That's why we're here to see our friends at Iscar. They are one of the world's pioneers in manufacturing the latest technologies in the cutting tool world. Let's have a look. Hi, Ian.
Hi, you okay?
Good to see you,
Yeah, okay. So one of our latest products is the new Quick D Mill.
Okay.
So this is a product that's dedicated for drilling and milling applications. So again, very straightforward. Drill into the machine pocket, for example, and then open out the pocket.
Oh,
this is a little bit unique in the fact that it's a dedicated drilling geometry on one side of the insert and a dedicated milling geometry on the other. So you're getting 4 cutting edges per insert. So again, very economical rather than the old-fashioned method, maybe using an ADKT style insert and then using the unused edge as a lay-down situation. So again, not ideal for drilling, just utilising that spare carbide.
Right.
This is now dedicated drilling edges and dedicated milling edges.
Yeah, it's best of both worlds,
better performance.
Brilliant.
And better cost per edge.
Yeah, absolutely, what about this section, the Heli slots?
So a Heli slot is a product now that we've had quite a while. We launched this quite a while ago now, but again, it's a range that's been very popular and has been expanded. So we have 3 different sizes of insert. The size 13 for sort of large, heavy-duty slotting, the 09 for medium, and the latest to the family is the 06 insert. So again, very small inserts for smaller slots. And again, this is 8 cutting edges, so 4 right-hand edges, 4 left-hand edges. So again, best economy for dedicated slot.
Absolutely, especially in this economy.
Exactly, and that's what it's really been all about for us, is the max out campaign. So maximum output for the minimum sort of outlaying respective costs.
Perfect. And is that something new I've seen?
Yeah, the Tang disc and Heli Tang, they're new lines within the Iscar product range. So tangential machining and tangential milling products are a large family within the Iscar line, but now we've taken this down to the 05 insert. So again, very small, so we can have this as you can see here, the modular slot-in cutter. So again, we've got the neutral insert with 2 left, 2 right-hand cutting edges, but we can also swap that system to a dedicated face mill as well. So again, with 4 right-hand cutting edges on the small insert. So again, excellent for economy.
Yeah, brilliant. So you can have different size sort of shanks, I suppose.
Yeah, you can have different lengths and different diameters. Yeah. So this range is from 25 diameter up to 50 diameter.
Right.
So again, standard configurations.
Yeah.
So 25, 32, 40, 50. So again, quite an easy swap out for some more expensive systems.
Brilliant. So the idea is you can have multiple heads for different applications.
Yeah, exactly. You can T-slot, face milling. Yeah. We've got the dedicated end mills and even the fixed ETS style. So again, if you're only looking for a T-slot cutter, you can get the fixed system as well.
How many edges are on these inserts?
So on those inserts, there's 2 left-hand and 2 right-hand.
Right,
and if it's a face mill or the end mill style, there's 4 right-hand cutting edges.
Brilliant. Yeah, fantastic. Yeah. And what do we have over there?
We've got the fast feed systems. So again, mill 4 feed is our single side fast feed system. And again, this is 4 different sizes of insert. So we've got the very small system with the 06 insert for very small components. And this insert is available as a 06, 09, 12 and a 17. So again, heavy duty work right the way through to quite small compact machines as well.
Perfect.
And this is also a modular system. So again, you can have the different systems all on the modular shank. And also we have the HM390 system. Now this is an expansion on the HM90, the original helical cutting edged insert. 2 cutting edges. This is a triangular insert, as you can see, 3 cutting edges. So you're essentially getting a cutting edge for free against a maximum output.
Yeah. This has got through coolant as well,
through coolant. The system's also available on the multi-master connection with the Jet HP coolant. So these are the 3D printed systems with the computational dynamic fluid coolant. So again, best application of coolant for high temperature alloys, titanium machining,
Yeah,
and stainless steels.
Well, thanks, Ian. Yeah,
No
really
problem.
appreciate it. It's
No
great
problem.
to see the latest developments in the milling
Yeah.
area.
Yeah, that's
I'm going to
great.
head on to the turning section.
Okay,
Good
thanks
to see
very
you.
much.
Cheers, thank
Thanks
you.
a lot. Bye.
Well, now I'm in the turning section with Mike. Mike, what can you tell me about the latest developments in the turning area?
Morning, Kezra. So what we're going to talk about today is our new quick turn range.
Yeah.
Well, this is part of our Logic Quick campaign. And what we've done with this is we've taken a 6-edged insert now for efficiency and also for productivity. The big advantage of the quick turn is 6 cutting edges, but it's bi-directional turning now. So because of the stability in the insert and the pocket seat, it allows us to front and back turn now, semi-finishing and finishing, high productivity, and again, we're giving the customer efficiency by adding the 6 cutting edges.
Brilliant. Yeah, back turning is becoming very popular these days.
A lot more back turning. And also within this range, we've also developed a Y-axis turning. Again, big advantage of this is we change the forces. So again, we can keep productivity to a high
Brilliant.
on multi-turning machines.
Yeah. And what about that one? Quick Penta.
So Quick Penta, again, this is an upgrade and a development on our existing Penta. Part of, again, the Logic Quick range. Big advantage of this, Kezra, is we don't have to remove the screw now to do indexing on the Penta. So we've put extra locations on, fits into the holder. So it's a couple of turns and you actually flick the insert round to a solid stop, tighten it back up, and then obviously we've still got the 5 cutting edges for efficiency and productivity.
Brilliant.
And again, this is a development there to expand our turning range.
Fantastic. And I can see you've got the Jet HP.
And what we've also developed with this now is directional high pressure coolant.
Okay.
Obviously with that, aids with swath control, surface finish, and again allows us to run at higher speeds and feeds for productivity with the customer.
Brilliant. Yeah, sounds amazing. Thanks very much, Mike.
No problem
Yeah.
at all, Kezra.
Let's
Thank
head
you.
on to the next section, which is the hole making. Let's dive right in.
Hiya, so in the hole making we are looking at the best and most effective ways to reduce the amount of carbide that you're using. So we're looking at how we can swap from solid carbide drills, and with the market of carbide going up so much and the prices, how do we reduce that amount of carbide? So we do that by using the Sumo cam system, and we use that by I use our new 3 flute or the Bayo ream. So we have indexable options for whatever type of application you're using and reducing that, the traditional solid carbide method of manufacturing.
Brilliant. Is that a new thing? I've never seen that before.
It is. The Quick 3 cam is a new product, so it's a 3-fluted evolution of the Sumo cam.
Okay.
So with the 3 flutes you get more productivity, better hole tolerance, so you can achieve a H8 hole tolerance. We have 3 different geometries available. So you have a self-centering geometry, we have a flat bottom, and the all-new boring head as well. So that is designed to open up pre-existing holes,
Right.
which
Okay.
traditionally couldn't have never been done with a indexable drilling tool.
Right, sure. And then obviously you can ream it with an indexable reaming tool.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So again, using the philosophy of the, big lumps of solid carbide being expensive, we can use that as an exchangeable head system and get that productivity through it as well. So a quick change head system, repeatable accuracy, and we can run at really high cut data, for example at 0.5 mil a rev with a reaming tool.
Brilliant, yeah. And is the idea that you keep the same body and then maybe you can swap different heads and different sizes?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So we would clock in the body into the machine with a face taper connection on the head. We can then gives you that confidence to swap in, swap out without having to readjust anything and just press go again, reducing your downtime, reducing setup times, and getting that repeatability.
Absolutely, yeah. Thanks. Well, that was brilliant. Thank you very much, Luke.
No problem.
Appreciate it. Let's go and have a chat with Lee now. Well, Lee, we have created an amazing partnership over the years, haven't we? We've helped many customers to get the most out of their tools. What do you think is the main reason behind our successful relationship?
I think it's that open and honest approach to the relationship, understanding that we've both got needs, and it's fulfilling that win-win situation.
Yeah, absolutely, yeah. I mean, every single week there is a project going on in our tech center or out in the field between your engineers and our engineers, and they really work closely together, don't they?
They do, they definitely work closely together, and I think that's why the relationship is so good. And like I say, it's very important to keep those opportunities flowing so that relationship continues
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, we are helping both types of customers, very large accounts, but also very small accounts.
Yeah.
And the engineering support from Iscar has been fantastic.
Yeah, good. I think we recognised early on in our relationship that Iscar had a very positive approach to working with MSC, and also that we can enhance what they do.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah. So for those who are watching, you can shop Iscar products on MSC website. You just have to head to mscdirect.co.uk /Iscar, and then you can have a look at the latest developments of Iscar products, everything that we talked about today, and most of the items are actually available for next day delivery. So thank you very much, Lee, for the tour today. I really enjoyed it, and I wish you a very successful exhibition.
Thank you very much, Kasia.
Cheers. Thank you.
Cheers.